So last but not least, we're going to be talking about workspaces. So what workspaces are is they're essentially, this video will play. For some reason, they keep pausing. I'm sorry, guys. There you go. Playing it now. So workspaces are an on-the-fly tool that enables our users to create personalized ad hoc displays in runtime without needing to, use the traditional engineering development tools or scripting. So these workspaces can be developed without needing any development tools, right? So they are completely responsive in that when you build a workspace, the tiles are rearranged to fit the format of your machine as needed, whether it's, a tablet or a phone or a computer. It'll automatically readjust based on the target machine. Sorry, I was getting some feedback there. Looks like it's gone now. This feature is helpful if you want to quickly see some graphics and build out screens on the fly. You just need to click on a new workspace and build it out using the graphic browser on the right side. You can see our symbols on the right side here, and all you need to do is drag and drop them onto the screen to create the workspace screens. And by the way, these symbols can be custom symbols with custom properties as they are defined in InTouch. So the workspace environment will inherit those custom symbols and attributes as well. All you need to do is place them in the Workspaces toolset folder in the InTouch development environment area. And then what that will do is it'll allow them to be selected inside of Workspaces, so you can use them inside of Workspaces. So this is a really helpful aspect because you can collaborate really easily across different users, right? So all the workspace, screens that are created here can be shared to other users because you're doing it inside of a web browser up here. A couple more things I wanted to mention. The workspace feature is available in a Flex-enabled InTouch web server license, and it's available inside of InTouch as well as OMI. So both of the system platform HMI development environments, OMI and InTouch, have a workspace feature now.